Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This episode showcases Singapore's biggest classic car made up at Dempsey Hill.
Ready? Go!
Look out for Tim, who just came back from 9 days road trip to Cambodia.
Nice.
Morning. Every car meet, we get to meet light-hearted people, catch up with old friends and make new ones. Mr. Gary, please come.
I just came back from an amazing journey. So we took it on a 5,000 kilometers road trip from Singapore over Malaysia, Thailand, into the beautiful kingdom of Cambodia. And the big challenge for us was we only had 9 days for this trip. So we drove around 500 to 600 kilometers per day in the absolute heat wave in Southeast Asia. In Cambodia it was nearly 45 degrees on the ground, and I'm super excited that the car had not a single technical issue. We just had to top up a few fluids, and the car did very well, considering it's a 42 years old car that has never really been driven in its life. So it came from Hong Kong, where it did not drive much, then in Australia, and since 6 years it's in Singapore here, and I own it since 2 years. And this was the very first road trip that was done with the car, longer than a few kilometers. And the interesting part is the previous owner, Marcus, who bought the car and who brought it into Singapore, he sold it to me, and he said he regrets a little bit that he actually wanted to go up to Thailand and even further with the car, but he didn't find the time. So I promised to him, when I buy it, I will do that trip. So we did it together with a friend from Stuttgart. He flew in for the trip, and I can actually tell everyone, so if you have such a dream in your mind, just do it, just try it, plan a little bit, and then it's gonna be amazing and awesome.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Awesome.
Thanks. Yeah.
Live the dream big.
Thanks, and thanks for taking me into your
name again?
Tim.
Tim.
If you want Instagram.
Oh, okay. Instagram.
Instagram. Yeah.
What's your Instagram? Shout out for you.
Yes. Just Tim.Valkowiak. So we can probably copy in
so
the link.
You can see the bottom here. We'll add the Instagram here. Yeah. Go follow him.
Yeah, and the next road trip is already planned, but it's still a secret where we go. Not this car, but next road trip is an EV. Electric vehicle, so also a challenge for us.
Yeah. So the real man keeps the car running. It's not about buying new car. Keeps the old one running. All right, man.
Thank you.
That's a spirit. All right, classiccar news.
On the same day, they are also having the car and coffee meet. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you organizer for the successful event, turning Dempsey Hill into a car museum. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, do consider to subscribe and also check out our previous video. See you soon. Ciao.